Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Today we're gonna make 2-piece smoothies for weight loss. I'm using ingredients that all have purpose to help you shed your pounds and boost your metabolism. So today we will get only perfect ingredients. Start directly with the first one, burn fat. So we need a banana. I already cut it here. Just put directly in the mixer, blender, and Greek yogurt, 0%, raspberry, and 1 orange juice glass. Now turn on the mixer. You say our smoothie is ready. Just serve it like that. Top. You would enjoy it in the morning. Put some decoration. We'll do the second smoothie. Fill it green, so we will start directly. I need for my recipe 1 kiwi. Just cut it like that. Easy. Use a spoon. So this is the best way for kiwi. That. Cut it 4 pieces. Put it. Boom. I still have here half banana from the first smoothie. I will add half apple here, 200 milliliters of water. I will add some parsley to my recipe. Then let to blend it. So use kiwi as decoration, and here we are. So here are my 2 smoothies that will help you to lose weight, burn fat, and feed it green. Try them at home and give me feedback. See you next time. Bye bye.